Hello, everyone. Happy week 5, more than halfway through. Work breakdown structure, WBS, is basically the center of your project universe. Um, the WBS divides complex projects into simpler and manageable tasks, and usually the project managers use this method for simplifying the project execution. In a WBS, there are large tasks, and then they're broken down into manageable chunks of work. And then these chunks of work can be easily supervised and estimated. A WBS also provides the necessary framework for detailed cost estimating and control, along with providing guidance for schedule development and control. Um, Another important aspect of the WBS is it helps with the development of the organization breakdown structure, which assigns project responsibilities um, to both the organizational units and individuals. So it helps define communication channels and assists with coordinating the various project elements. So it really helps team members see their roles and indicates the project milestones and control points. But, like most things, there can be changes. They are inevitable in a project, but a WBS shouldn't change unless absolutely necessary, because if you change one task, it can change multiple tasks, and then inevitably it changes the scope of your project. So once your scope is changed, it affects other important constraints of the project, namely cost and schedule. So making modifications to the WBS requires buy-in from the top down, and all relevant stakeholders need to have input. Managing change in the project plan helps ensure the team is able to keep the project on time and within budget, and this needs to be done by the project manager when authorized by the formal change process. Now, in saying that a WBS is highly organized, there are key components, and then there are also columns of data that are expected in the WBS. And all of this clear organization helps keep the project moving forward. And It allows the project team to double check all the deliverables specifics with the stakeholders and make sure that there's nothing missing or overlapping. Um, so the WBS must have the project scope statement, the project scope management plan, organizational process assets, and improved change requests. And then the data needs to have the task, of course, the start and end dates of that task, the dependencies, and then who will be completing the task to keep the project organized and on pace. So how do we determine what these high-level tasks are in the WBS? Well, they should match the goals and deliverables listed in the project scope. As mentioned before, it's a hierarchy of all the project work, moving from the project goals to the task or subtask. When we do anything in life or in work, we can look to our past for influence, and um, understanding projects from the past can help the team make accurate predictions on the types of changes that may occur. So project managers, should look at past projects to help identify tasks or subtasks that might be required to this project. So it helps with forecasting and troubleshooting when creating a WBS. Thank you.